Hello guys, I am Shomavo and you're watching my channel Technocracy. So this video will be in English, and today in this video I'm going to explain you the best two possible ways by which you can hide your drive in your computer. So I've already made a video about this topic previously in which I only explained you a single way by which you can hide your drive, but that video was in Hindi for my countrymen, so I decided to make a new video about this topic in English so that everybody could understand. So I request you all to please watch the video till the end. Please do not skip, as every step is important, and if you skip any, it may possible that you may get an error message, or it may also be possible that all your files and folders which are in a drive may get deleted. So it's a request, please do watch the video till the end and do not try to skip. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started into the video. So let me first show you the number of drives which I am currently having in my system. As you can see, I am currently having 4 drives, A, B, C and E, and the C drive is our main drive, main directory in which all the Windows files and folders are there. So now suppose we want to hide this E drive, right? New volume E drive, we want to hide this drive. So the most simplest and easiest way of doing this is you need to go to this PC or my computer, whichever you are having, and you need to go to manage. You need to right click on it and go to manage, and a new window will pop up, computer management. From here you need to go to disk management, right? And all your disk and drives which are currently in use will be showing here. As I've already said you, I'm having 4 drives, so all the 4 drives are shown here. As you can see, A, B, C and E. So as I've said, we want to hide this E drive. So for doing this, you need to right click on your E drive and you need to go to change drive letter and paths. Just click on it, and from here you need to just remove this letter. Okay, a warning has shown, yes, and as you can see the letter has been removed. So let me show you. There, as you can see, our E drive has been hidden. So it's the most easiest and simplest way by which a drive can be hidden. So basically what happened, we just removed the letter that was assigned to this drive, and as we remove the letter, the drive is not showing. So if suppose you want to get your drive back again, so you just need to reassign any letter ranging from A to Z again. So you just need to open up your disk management again. You just need to right click on this drive, change drive letter and paths. You just click on add, and you can add any letter ranging from A to Z. So let it be E again. Okay, and once again it's been assigned a letter. Just refresh, and there, as you can see, our E drive is back again. So as I've said, it's the most simplest and easiest way by which you can hide any drive in your system. Doing the same way, you can hide A, B or C drive the same way. So this was the first way by which we just hide our E drive. So now let me introduce you to the second way by which you can hide any of your drives. So for doing this second way, you need to go to your start button and you just need to search run window. Open your run window, and from here you need to type in gpedit.msc. So let me type it, gpedit.msc, right? Just click on OK, and another new window will pop up. So from here you need to go to administrative templates, right? You just need to expand it. From there you need to navigate to Windows components. Just expand it again, and there, as you can see, a lot of options will be there. From there you need to select File Explorer. Just click on it, and on the right hand side you can again see a lot of options. So you need to select this option, hide these specific drives in my computer. So you just need to navigate to this option, and now you just need to double click on this option. There, as you can see, I have already enabled it. In your case, in the default case, it would be disabled. You just need to enable, and now you just need to select the drive which you want to hide. So all the drives are not showing. So suppose I want to hide the D drive. Let me first show you. So suppose I want to hide this DVD RW drive. So for this, just go to your specific drives and restrict D drive only. Just click on OK, and let's see. if it's done or not. So as you can see, the D drive has been hidden. So it's also a good process by which you can hide your drive, but all your drives cannot be hidden by this process, as I've explained you why. So if you want it back, you just need to go to this, do not restrict drives, apply, OK, close and refresh, and there as you can see your drive is back again. So these were the two processes by which you can hide your drives in a computer. Very easy process. Suppose you're having any secret documents and files which you don't want to share with anyone, you can just follow the steps and hide your drives. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please give a like to this video if you liked it, and if you disliked it, you can dislike it also. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe, it's your wish, and if you have any doubt, you can comment also. So once again, thank you for watching the video and goodbye.